Hey Emily, so I've been thinking about your plot points problem. It's an interesting problem, um, and I'm not sure if this is really what you're going for, but I think this might give you some ideas about how you might implement just what you want. Um, so what I did, I don't know if I sent you this the version of Zool with the go command, quick command, help command stuff. I think I did. But anyway, basically what's happening here is that we're subclassing command, and so what happens is when we go and process the commands, we do this, we run command execute. So for the different kinds of commands, depending on what kind of command it is, it'll execute different things. Each one of these subclasses of command has its own execute method. So what I was thinking was we could have these plot point objects, right? That and I stuck two booleans in them. I stuck a boolean in here for repeating because I don't know if there's ones that you want to do their thing every time a certain action happens, or if you just want it to happen once. So I had that option, put that option in there, which I haven't really used, but and then I said fired equals false, meaning it hasn't been, nothing's been done yet for the plot point. So what I'm thinking is that we'd have like a path open object. And again, this is, I know you have other plans for what's going to happen when the path open object fires. But I was thinking you'd like store a path open object, right? And then the path open object knows what to do when it gets fired. So what I'm thinking is that you'd have like so like when the go command gets fired, when you execute go, it'll add a new path open object. So basically doing any kind of a go, in this version, like I said, you'll do how you want to do it. But in this version, going anywhere opens up the path. All right, so basically that sets the path to be open. And then when you do a drink with the drink command, that says, go ahead and process your plot points. And again, you're going to want to add to this and make it more subtle than this. Like you might want to pass a parameter in here for process plot points to say, just to let the player know that drink was the thing that just got done. So he might have a special thing to do when drinking got done. But for now, all that's going to happen is when you go someplace, you open the path, and then when you drink something, you fire the path open. That fire method. You run that fire method in path open. So let me just show you. Maybe it'd be easier if I just show you here. So I'm going to say new game and play. So I have my welcome Zool, and then I say go south, and you're in the computing lab. So now the path has been opened because I said go. And again, you might want to make it more, I don't know what your plans are. You might want to make it when you get to a certain room that the path opens, or I don't know how that's going to work. But anyway, now if I say drink, it says, oh, now that you are in a computing lab, there's a turtle that will, and so it's going to do, it'll actually do the whatever was the path open, had in it to do. So I mean, I don't know. Like I said, if that makes sense, you might might be able to get what you want by making these things a little bit more, putting a little more logic in these different guys. But I don't know. I hope that gives you some ideas. And if you're still not sure what you want, how you want to proceed, just give me a shout, and we'll take it from there. All right. So good luck. This looks like it's going to be really cool.